Welcome to day 3 of our Santa Cruz vacation, continuing the fun. Today we're doing a birthday party on the beach, so we're excited for that, but we're gonna go do our thing, explore a little bit. I'm gonna take the kids to the place I went yesterday on West Cliff. I'm gonna go check that out, and then we'll do a birthday party at the beach, and we'll finish the day off with just some more fun, some more good times, get some coffee, have a blast. So here we go. Keeping the good times rolling for day 3. Kids just went down for another nap. They're exhausted, man. They've been getting really worn out. The beach birthday party was awesome. Happy birthday to Bo. We had a great time down there. Good tacos, some cupcakes. I've never been to a beach birthday party. That was the first time. You can see we had another large group, man, probably 20 to 30 people. So that was a ton of fun. Kids are down now, so that means it's my chance to go out and explore a little bit. So I'm in the West Cliff area, Pleasure Point area. I'm gonna walk along the coast here, see if I can see some cool sights, some cool views, get some cool photos, and just kind of do my thing here. So yeah, let's get it. that is a wrap for day 3. Another awesome day. Was able to get some shots in today. Got the drone up as well. I'll share the footage of that at the end. Tried to get something different, but it, kind of just flew from the same area, so it's hard to get different shots. But tried to get something a little bit different. Share some footage and some photos at the end. Another great day, man. Vacation has been incredible. I'm going to continue sharing. One thing that's been a challenge so far is just managing the content, keeping things organized, keeping things in order. It's been a lot, man. My phone is maxed out. I'm pretty much shooting everything on my phone, so that's been a challenge, but getting it done so far. Gonna keep going 7 days in a row. See you guys on the next one. Peace.